Yeah, what else you want to say? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I can't call the bank because you keep talking and they think that you trying to tell them something and I can't give them the right code. So go ahead, get it all out. Mm-hmm. You don't care? Okay. Yeah. Hey, chatterbox. Let everybody know you're a little chatterbox. Say I'm a chatterbox, like my grandma. Chatterbox box.